Excel have an option which allows you to email right from Excel sheet. For this example, I opened the Excel template which have an invoice and it's need to be emailed somewhere. Without copy pasting it, you can achieve it by going to File, More, Options, Customize the ribbon. In here, you will need to add the new group to the Home tab, and I'm going to rename it Email so it will be easy to find. Now, in this drop down, we need to select commands not on a ribbon. Scroll down to Mail Recipient, which is Mail Recipient here. That select it, click Add, and click OK. What it did, it added extra button to your Excel ribbon on the Home tab. Click on this, and you'll see this drop down up here. Two, in here you will type email at gmail.com or something like that. Here you can type if you need to CC somebody. Here will be the subject, invoice. You can add some text as introduction if you need to. You can also use all the usually available options in the Outlook, such as make it important, flag it, and etc. As soon as you're done with that, you click send this shit and it will email it. When you email it, it's going to look like this. I emailed it previously and I just basically blacked out my email address. Just a second, I'm going to bring it and show how it's looking Outlook. So the email which you just sent from Excel will look exactly like this, like your invoice, and you don't have to copy paste it or do anything additionally.